Okay, so my name is Birain. I'm from Bluecom Infotech Private Limited, and we are the title sponsor for the Synergy Business Conclave 2024. And honestly speaking, it is a pleasure. It is a pleasure title sponsoring this event, which is having the August gathering of CERT members. Um, Honestly, I am of the view that CERT is a unique association. The kind of bonding the members have here is something which is very, very rare. I have seen a lot of associations, uh, not taking away anything from all those associations, but uh, ASIRT is definitely unique. नॉर्मली अगर आप देखोगे बाकी एसोसिएशंस में कहीं ना कहीं छोटे मोटे लेवल का पॉलिटिक्स एक रहता ही है बट दिस इज अ एसोसिएशन दिस इज अ गैदरिंग जहाँ पे पीपल कम अहेड विद अ श्योर इंटेंट ऑफ एक्चुअली गिविंग बैक टू द सोसाइटी and I mean helping their fellow partners, fellow members, fellow colleagues. This is absolutely a unique association. And uh, it is a wonderful experience uh, being here. This is the second year I have personally come. Last year also I was here at Golwad. We enjoyed thoroughly, and that was the time that I had thought that yes, next time whenever I get an opportunity, I will also want to kind of contribute. I will want to be kind of some kind of a sponsor. And when I got this opportunity, I wholeheartedly made sure that yes, I mean we kind of title sponsor, and thanks to brand Lenovo as well, they obviously contributed, basis which I mean we could title sponsor it, and there's a lot of takeaways from here. See, Bluecom's one of the strongest vertical at Bluecom is the channel distribution, and this is that community which has actually helped grow our business. अगर ये लोग नहीं रहेंगे तो obviously हमारा वो vertical तो definitely will not grow the way we have done it. And the partners out here are a typical system integrator partners. Uh, they have their unique strength. All of them, they have their own set of customers, and the product that we promote, I mean, it easily synergizes uh, with their business, and basis which we are actually able to go do good business with this community, and hence it makes sense that yes, I mean, we kind of come and sponsor these kind of events at a cert. I want to wholeheartedly thank the board members of CERT, rather for giving us the opportunity to be a title sponsor here at Synergy Business Conclave 2024. And it was a wonderful opportunity to network with people. And as I said, I mean, I always enjoy the company of these ASIRT members. Thank you so much. It is my pleasure. I mean, kind of title sponsoring this event. Thank you once again on behalf of my entire staff, on behalf of Lenovo. We look forward to actually kind of uh, not just do business, to get connected. I mean, and make it a win-win collaboration. Thank you once again. Thank you so much, Assert. Thank you so much, the Synergy Business Conclave 2024. Thank you so much, Golwad. Thank you.